Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about TikTok app and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.